Good morning. This video is just a demonstration of how to use the indented list or structured BOM uh, type templates to get the same indented list or structured BOM results in a final BOM. The main thing is that the structured BOM and the indented list BOM have the ability to handle part numbers in an indented fashion. The way that's achieved is by actually creating multiple columns in the BOM. And in order for everything to work properly, you actually need to create the template using a model that actually has some sort of assembly structure in it. This really hasn't changed with the introduction of structured BOM. It was the same behavior for indented list BOM. So basically, I have here a assembly structure that has that sort of assembly part level structure in it. And then I go and I create a drawing, uh, make drawing, any view will do. And then I go and I create a BOM of that. And so to start with my BOM, I'm actually going to use the structured BOM working fine template that you had previously. Notice that you had one that worked, and then there's other one that didn't work. And my assumption is that the one that doesn't work was not created with a structured scene file. So I'm just going to start with yours because it has that additional, oops, the wrong type. It's the regular BOM. I want to create a BOM that I'm going to use your structured BOM, and I'm going to select structured BOM down here. And so we have this structured BOM. I'm using yours because one of the issues you talked about was that the contents of this column get shifted over here later on. So let's take a look. This is a structured BOM. Got the structure there. Fine. So everything looks fine here. And the only thing I'm going to change is I'm going to make it a bottom-up display. And you can see it's still correct. Just bottom up now. So then I am just going to do a save as template. And I'm going to make it my bottom up here. Yes. Okay, fine. Close that. We don't need that anymore. And then I'm going to, for my test, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a different file, this motor SES file, which also has structure underneath it. And then I need to, because I want to use that BOM template, I need to move it from the save location here, copy it, and put it in my my user level BOM template so that I can actually use it from the application. So now I've got this motor, it's got this stuff in here. I'm going to create a new drawing and fine. There's my motor, and I'm going to create a BOM, structured BOM, with the new my bottom up guy, bottom up guy, and then I'm going to do structured. Now we have my BOM, bottom up. Notice everything is, the columns are handled correctly at this point. And if I should expand this to get the indented effect of the part numbers, which is what we expect, but also the column information is correct as we expect. And that's pretty much it. So the main point is that if you want to create a template, BOM template with indented or structured BOM characteristics, you need to start with that structure in the model as well when you are creating that BOM. Thank you.